My name is Mike Hardock. I'm Chief Commercial Officer for Resonetics. I'm here at MD&M Midwest in Minneapolis with our technical and sales teams talking about customers and potential customers about what we can offer them. Resonetics is well known for our component and subassembly and assembly work. We do a lot in the metal space, very well known from nitinol capabilities. We melt nickel and titanium to make sheet wire and tube, end up as components for many of our customers. We also do a lot with stainless steel, other precious metals, and various polymers, and a lot of post-processing, a lot of laser work, laser ablation, laser cutting, laser welding, things like that. It can all start with our LightSpeed Labs. We have 9 quick-turn prototype facilities around the world that are really geared towards iterating quickly, making and remaking components very quickly, which speeds our customers' time to market for their products. We also have an agile product development group that does full design. We have 50 engineers around the world doing full design from napkin sketches all the way to creating full design projects and bringing them into volume manufacturing. In addition, we have embedded technologies. We do a lot of implantable batteries as well as fiber optic sensors. Really excited about the new acquisition we just made in the last few weeks of Eden Holdings, which is made up of Eden Manufacturing as well as Eden Tooling. They do injection molding, primarily micro molding, insert molding, over molding, and it's a really good complement for all the metals work that we do in order to offer our customers another step to another subassembly or device for them. If you didn't make it here to Minneapolis this week to see us, we'll be in MD&M West out in Anaheim in February, and we look forward to seeing you there.